Maari man na siya dahil. Maari na siya. Kuan ko pa dahil.
Aji? Di magkakaroon.
No. No. Di na siya maka-go outside because this is his cage.
Sige, nakadira ako sa baba.
Excuse, hindi mo. Ano na, oh. He wants to feed me. He's going inside and feed me. No, he knows, man. He knows, man. That he's going to feed me. That is why. No, oo. Ano na po siya? No. Video love. You see? Eat it. Look at that. Masa man? Chicken?
Chicken.
Para tukbo na rin ka lang. Tawaan.
Malayo mo.
Siyo, bukuin sa person.
Kita ni mo daw.
Oh my god, it's so big! Palayo dia, oy! It's so big! Hey! Palayo dia dong. Kasi magkariya ako mulai. So big! Oh my god! Oh no! Dang! Did you capture it? Did you capture it? My god, it's so big! Uy! Uy! Kevin, naka-show, my god! Magi na ito diri. Ako, oy! Super no! Masuda man ang tao diya, oy! Masuda ang tao diya. Ang chukat siya ka best. It's so big. Lapo-lapo? Oh god. Magalisod na siya, oy! I'm scared. Uy! Siya sa cage. Hindi man na siya kapuan sa ito.
That's crocodile, Larry.
Yes, it's real. Ang iyan na ayaw na yung lecture sa siguro nag-move. So, ang kining crocodile, again, they have very slow metabolism. So, now, nag-2 chickens is just enough for them. And then, yung may question, nakayo sa akin lang na
Oh my god. Did you capture it, no? No, it's okay. Don't be scared lagi. This in is Bigay siya lang. Picture lang.